I started to talk about this earlier, but I digressed, that one of the allegations against him was that he attended the Fallbrook Tea Party rally. Well, the military part of the prosecution team that followed him there and watched him testified that Sergeant Stein did absolutely nothing wrong there. He said nothing negative about the military. He said nothing negative about Mr. Obama or any of the superiors. He simply talked about what was going on in his case. But that in and of itself, according to the government, was the ground to kick him out of the military. His very attendance out of that event. Now, I should also note that this witness, it turns out this witness had posted things on his Facebook page that also violated the policy. And so that was something that was not brought up and not discussed. It also turns out that the Obama campaign in 2008 had a part of their campaign website where it was, they advocated and solicited the endorsement of active duty military personnel. And they had a lot of people doing that. Now, according to the prosecution, all of those people should be kicked out of the military because they involved self and partisan political activities. But that's not being done. No one's investigating them. No one's doing anything about it.
I think, and real quick, if I could go on that, really, I think that's a really good point, is the fact that if I had been running a Military for Obama page, or if I had been going to an Obama rally, would this be happening? No, this would not be happening at all. But according to the government, that's something that's illegal and something that's frowned upon, something you get kicked out for. I think it's really unfortunate, especially in my case. I've served almost 9 years in the Marine Corps. I've done a tour in Iraq. I've never been in trouble in the Marine Corps. My officers, I love the Marine Corps, and I love the officers I work for. I work with some of the best officers and staff and COs I ever have. And the fact that I'm out in nearly 3 months and about 14 days or 17 days, 3 months and 17 days, and I'm finishing my enlistment. I'd hope to spend another 11 years in the Marine Corps and retire. It's not going to happen at this point. But the fact that we just can't figure this out within the Marine Corps as a leadership thing, let's turn this around, make it a win-win for both sides. Let me help, educate Marines on this. Let me help rewrite the order. As of Friday, the Staff Judge Advocate for the Marine Corps asked the Department of Defense to rewrite DoD Directive 1344.10 because it is ambiguous and because it is confusing and it's gray and it doesn't include social media. In fact, the words social media aren't even in that at all, anywhere. And he's asked to rewrite it. So I think by them admitting, hey, we need to rewrite this, is in itself shows that they know that something's wrong with it, and so why are they charging me on it?
Well,